Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to your weekly Nelly De Vuyst skincare video. My name is Isabelle, and today I wanted to talk to you about the different promotions that we have going on for the month of February. We are constantly talking about the whole self-care because it is something that's super important now, even more than ever. So we do encourage you to add on a couple of different things that you maybe not do, or maybe don't do, excuse me, to add those things to your daily skincare routine or to your weekly skincare routine in this particular situation. So the first promotion that we have going on is when you purchase the Lifestyle Plus mask and the Radiance Oil. So when you purchase these two, you get a little sample pack with a couple different additional products. So the Lifestyle Mask, for those of you who are wondering, if you're not familiar with the line, this is going to be perfect for all skin types, yes, but even more specifically for someone who has a very dehydrated, dry, and sometimes even more mature skin. You can use this all over your face, including your eye contour as well as your lips, and you are pretty much guaranteed to have a huge improvement as far as general comfort and hydration of your skin. So we're going to work with a lot of soothing ingredients, anti-inflammatory, and most importantly, the salmon DNA. So if you have never seen any of these videos before, I speak about salmon DNA very often. So this is something that, similar to hyaluronic acid, which retains its weight 1,000 times in water, the salmon DNA is going to be 10,000 times. So as far as your hydration properties goes, it is even more important. So this, you can use it once a week, twice a week, depending on your routine. And then the Radiance Oil, which I have spoken about many times. I'm absolutely obsessed with this product since the launch of it, actually. It is going to contain some melatonin, a bunch of antioxidants to pretty much ensure that you have a nice rested looking skin. And this is something that you can use every single night, or if you're using it with your mask, you can apply a couple drops of this and then put your mask on top, and you're going to have even more benefits. Now, the sample pack that comes with it, we do want you guys to get to try a bunch of other products really as much as possible to see how you can tweak your regular skincare routine. So we have included the Hydrocell Cleansing Milk. So for those who are used to using a foaming cleanser, you're going to be able to try something else. Then we have the Soothing Lotion, which is a perfect toner for everybody who is hypersensitive, reactive. All you need to do, you just spray it on. You can use it as a compress if you wake up with little puffy eyes or something like that. Then we have the 3-minute gommage. So we are always talking about exfoliation to make sure that you do get better product penetration. And this is about enough for one-time use. So you apply it, you wait a minute to a minute and a half, and then you're going to simply massage it off to lift off your dead skin cells. So instead of scratching at your skin, you are lifting everything off. And the last product in your little kit is going to be the Hydrocell Plus Cream, which is perfect for all skin types, but even more specifically for someone who has dehydrated skin, that you're starting to see superficial signs of aging that are caused by the lack of water in the skin. This, you can use it twice a day, including the eye contour. Then our next promotion that we have is with the purchase of the Biotense mask. Sorry, the lighting is very shimmery with the ring light. So Biotense mask and Biotense extract. So when you purchase these two, you also get a little sample pack. So the Biotense mask is for all skin types, yes, but this is what I'm going to recommend more for my more mature skins. Anybody who's starting to see a little bit more signs of aging, you can use this. You're gonna have some bentonite clay that's gonna help to tighten your pores, some silica, which is a huge important illegal element for everything that's going to be related to strengthening your tissues and, of course, preventing those additional signs of aging. And then another favorite of mine, the Biotense extract. If you notice, I'm always talking about the oils because I think there's such an important part to completing a skincare routine, and this one is going to be loved by pretty much everybody because it smells absolutely amazing. We work with a cold pressed argan oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil to bring back all the lipids to the skin, of course without giving that comedogenic effect, and we're also going to help to speed up regeneration of the cells, which again, that is super important when we're working with a more mature skin or a skin that is aging naturally. In your sample pack, we are going to have the Biotense Cleansing Milk, which again, those of you who are using a foaming cleanser, it's nice to have something that's going to be a little bit richer, more hydrated for the colder seasons. So this, you can use it dry. It has an aloe juice base, so it's super fluid, very nice, very fresh, and it's going to remove your makeup perfectly. Biotense Toner. Toners are also a very important part of the routine to ensure a balanced pH, prevent breakouts, also allow better product penetration. So this, you can use it every single day as needed. Then we've also added 2 of the bioacne products. Why? Because more and more people are developing a little bit of what we call maskne. So we want to be able to work on something targeted without actually creating any type of harm to the rest of the skin. So if you do have breakouts that are going to be mainly in the jaw area, because that's where our masks are pretty much laying all day long, you can use the toner as kind of like a in between the day to wipe off the sweat, wipe off if you do feel like your skin is getting a little bit oilier. We want to prevent bacterial buildup as much as possible. So this, you can use it as a spray or as like a wiping product. So you apply it on a cotton, simply wipe the area, and then you can put your mask back on. And the last product that's going to be in this kit is the Bioacne Purifying Gel, which you can also use as your local moisturizer for those of you who are starting to see a little breakouts. You're going to bring the hydration to the skin, but you're also going to prevent future breakouts from coming and accelerating healing at the same time, all while giving a nice mattifying effect. So if you do wear makeup on top, you don't have to worry about any of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and tell me what you'd like to hear about next. Thank you.